is funny. The prank is for real. This is a real prank, y'all. I got this keypad in my pocket. You don't know if I'm the keypad in my pocket. The keypad in my pocket, so I'm actually setting this alarm off, and he don't know I'm doing it. Look at him, he confused. Like, what the fuck is going on? This is too funny. He don't know what's going on with his truck, but I got the keypad in my pocket. I'm gonna push it again, right? And right now. Oh, well, he's in the car now. It's not gonna work. He's still in the car. He's still checking it out, so it's not gonna work. But I do have the keypad right here. He don't know it's spare keypad. But as soon as he walked away, oh, he just closed the door. I'm gonna do it again. Oh, he just turned it on. Yeah, he just turned it on, bro. He in the car, sitting in the car. He got the car running now. See the tailpipe smoke. He in the truck now. Oh, this is funny. This is too funny. He just sitting in the truck, dog. He just sitting in the truck with it running. This is too funny. He just got out. He's still looking at the truck. From the camera in. Look, he's still looking. Oh man, bro. Okay. All right.
What's up, man? How you doing that? How you doing that?
iPhone, bro.
iPhone what?
iPhone app. He took start on time.
Watch what?
Yeah.
It's an Apple for the 85 edition, dog.
Oh man. My stomach hurt, dog. You
Oh,
funny.
wait. I'm like, what the heck, dog?